What is Avalanche AVAX? The next DeFi blockchain explained. Avalanche AVAX is a smart contract-capable blockchain platform focused on transaction speed, low costs, and eco-friendliness. Ultimately, what Avalanche hopes to deliver is a highly scalable blockchain that doesn't sacrifice decentralization or security. Welcome back to another episode of Money Reviewer. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. In this episode, we will be going over Avalanche, the next DeFi blockchain. Let's dive in. Launched in 2020 by the AVAX team, Avalanche quickly ascended the cryptocurrency rankings and sits just outside the top 10. Similarly, Avalanche TVL, or total value locked in the protocol, is skyrocketing and is now worth $3 billion across Avalanche dApps. In a heated arms race to produce the world's fastest blockchain, Avalanche is a serious contender with a stellar team, passionate community, and dedicated backers. This guide explains everything you should know about Avalanche, including how it works and what the AVAX token does. Let's jump in! What is Avalanche AVAX? Blockchains have evolved in a peculiar way owing to Bitcoin. You see, Bitcoin was the first blockchain, so its design influenced all subsequent chains, such as Ethereum. That's problematic now for a few reasons. Bitcoin uses proof-of-work consensus, resulting in slow plus costly transactions. Validating POW chains is resource-intensive, inhibiting decentralization. Blockchain adoption is snowballing and requires scalable solutions. When Bitcoin launched back in 2009, relatively few people were using it, so the technical limitations mattered less. But today's blockchain landscape is vastly changed because of decentralized finance and NFT usage. By some estimates, around 100 million people were using cryptocurrencies at the start of 2021. Similarly, DeFi apps have soared and now hold well over $100 billion in value. The parabolic growth is causing smart contract-enabled blockchains like Ethereum and Solana to suffer from network congestion and outages. Ethereum apps hosting most of today's DeFi value are deploying on Layer 2 scaling solutions to remedy the situation. Layer 2 takes transactions away from the main Ethereum chain, rolls them in neat bundles, then sends the bundles back to Ethereum. Doing so releases pressure on Ethereum, but adds layers of complexity that might compromise security. The most elegant solution is to keep everything contained on a Layer 1 protocol that's scalable, secure, and decentralized. So, what has all this got to do with Avalanche? AvaLabs, the founders and developers of Avalanche, believe they've built the fastest smart contract blockchain platform to date. Utilizing a whopping 3 different blockchains under the hood, Avalanche performs at internet scale for a future wherein crypto is a global backbone technology. A few years ago, such a vision was ambitious at best and an entire decade away at worst. But today, the Avalanche mainnet is live and hosts a vibrant, growing community backed by a $230 million ecosystem fund. Founded in 2019 by Dr. 𝐤𝐸𝐸, Avalanche has aimed to achieve the fastest time to finality for blockchain transactions since day one. Time to finality is how long it takes for a crypto transaction to process and be considered permanent and irreversible. Once a transaction has achieved finality, it's literally final. It can't ever be rolled back or altered. Clearly, finality is a significant blockchain feature, especially for financial applications, but time to finality is not equal across different blockchains. Ethereum, for instance, achieves finality in about 1 minute. Avalanche achieves finality in 1 second, which is near instant in real-world usage. Does near-instant finality make Avalanche the fastest blockchain in the world? To figure this out, we'll need to take a closer look at how Avalanche works and explain AVAX token staking. How Avalanche works. Avalanche's core innovation is it's composed of 3 blockchains rather than the usual one. The reason behind this design choice is quite brilliant. Each blockchain specializes in a task within the broader Avalanche ecosystem instead of having one chain do them all. Distributing tasks amongst different chains helps keep the Avalanche platform agile, allowing it to achieve the golden trinity of blockchain traits: decentralization, security, and scalability. Exchange chain or X-chain. The exchange chain, 𝐥𝐤𝐤, is the blockchain responsible for creating and transacting Avalanche assets. Avalanche's native token AVAX is the current most popular cryptocurrency on the platform, but decentralized exchange tokens 𝐥𝐤 and PNG aren't far behind. Transactions on the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 generate fees paid in AVAX. That's similar to how gas fees on Ethereum are paid in ETH. So, even if you're transacting 𝐥𝐤 tokens, fees are always settled in AVAX. Contract chain, or C-chain. Smart contracts are Avalanche's key feature. This feature enables developers to build decentralized applications on Avalanche while leveraging the platform's security and scalability benefits. The C-chain runs smart contracts for the Avalanche platform and is EVM, or Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible. Being EVM compatible means anyone can deploy Ethereum smart contracts on Avalanche. Why is that a big deal? Because existing Ethereum apps, such as DeFi titans Aave, can easily deploy a version of their product on Avalanche. Deploying Ethereum smart contracts on Avalanche gives developers access to the latter's features using the same Ethereum developer tools as always. Platform chain, or P-chain. Avalanche's P-chain allows anyone to create an L1 or L2 blockchain. You can even go as far as creating a group of them. In Avalanche terms, these blockchains are called subnets, with the P-chain being the default subnet common to all. The P-chain manages the landscape of Avalanche subnets by keeping track of validators, but subnets are also responsible for validating the P-chain. Subnets are key to scaling Avalanche. In a nutshell, subnet creation is unlimited. Subnets can infinitely create subnets. Avalanche's P-chain has a roughly 4,500 transaction per second limit, about 2 times higher than Visa. AVAX token. The Avalanche token, or AVAX, is a utility token that serves as the ecosystem's common medium of exchange. Besides its use as currency in the Avalanche world, AVAX staking secures the network and rewards stakers with more AVAX. Compounding the value derived from staking is the AVAX deflationary token mechanism. AVAX tokens used to pay transaction fees are burned from the supply, permanently lowering the amount of AVAX in circulation. AVAX staking rewards. All subnets, including the primary network, require validators who own and stake AVAX tokens as collateral. That isn't to say you have to be a validator to get rewarded for staking AVAX. If you want AVAX staking rewards, you can delegate your stake to a validator to earn a percentage of the staking rewards. Right now, roughly 64% of AVAX tokens are staked. Validators are earning just shy of 11% APY, and delegators are earning 9.53% staking rewards. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about Avalanche, the next DeFi blockchain. Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.